Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Appwrite to a web app step by step. Connecting your web application to Appwrite allows you to use powerful backend features like authentication, databases, storage, and serverless functions without building your own backend from scratch. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appwrite dashboard and open the project you want to use. If you haven't created one yet, click Create Project, give it a name, and complete the setup before continuing. Next, add a web platform to your project. Enter your website's name and the correct hostname or domain where your application will run. Once the platform is added, Appwrite will generate your project ID and provide the endpoint URL you'll need for your application. Now install the Appwrite SDK using your preferred package manager or include it in your project if you're using a supported framework. Initialize the SDK by configuring the endpoint URL and project ID provided in your Appwrite dashboard. This establishes the connection between your web app and your Appwrite project. After the connection is configured, test it by implementing a simple feature such as creating a user account, signing in, retrieving database records, or uploading a file to Appwrite storage. If everything is configured correctly, your application should communicate with Appwrite successfully. Finally, review your project's permissions and API settings to make sure your web app has the appropriate access while keeping your backend secure. And that's it. You now know how to connect Appwrite to a web app and start using Appwrite's backend services in your own applications. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next